Are you watching the Bitcoin? Something incredible is happening. Bitcoin has reached his historical highs and apparently preparing to update its price, I think. So, let's today write a simple Python program to monitor Bitcoin price in real time. Okay, what we need? We need some data source of Bitcoin price, and we will use a bittrex public API. It doesn't require authorization, and we will use it to request data from it. By this URL we can extract data in JSON format, and also we need some libraries to parse this JSON format and to request this data source via HTTP. Also, we need time models to produce some delay between our requests. First of all, we need to infinite loop in which we go into perform our requests. Here I request the URL, the data from this URL, and save it to J variable. And the next thing, I parse this variable to extract data in Python dict format, and then I request from this dict via case result and ask the price of Bitcoin. And if price is not equal to previous price which I requested, I print this price on the screen and sleep for an interval. Okay, let's run this, and we can see that Bitcoin price is going too high. And next thing, what we can do that this, we can send this value to WhatsApp or Viber or Telegram or some other messengers. We can do it easily with Python, and also we can do a widget here in our tray. If you want something of this, please write comments, push subscribe button, push like button, and in the next videos I will do something from that. So guys, thanks for watching and bye. See you in the next video.